Spartacus is quite close.
Finding a lion is not as easy as you'd think.
Wow, we're getting closer.
And when you find one, he won't be in a good mood. And why should he be? For years, we have stolen their territory, hunted them down, and shot them. The African wilderness is disappearing under the pressure of human development. It's no surprise that every year there are fewer wild animals and predators, especially lions, leopards, and cheetahs.
The reality of it is that if we don't do something now, we are going to lose them.
The survival of these awe-inspiring creatures depends more than ever on public and private parks. Open-air zoos from which they cannot escape, no matter how hard they try. Conservation groups warn that numbers of lions, leopards, and cheetahs are in steep decline.
Maybe 10 years and it will be nothing left.
In Africa, the end of the big cats is drawing near.